Today,
we're hiking St. Mary's Glacier. Putting on some sunscreen because of the elevation. Well, you should always wear sunscreen, but because of the elevation, the sun is extra strong the higher you are, so protect your skin. Bring SPF chapstick and sunscreen. I got 50 right here.
good morning.
Hi!
It is a little after 6 a.m.
It's so windy.
So windy. It's about 40-mile-an-hour winds right now.
Oh, my eyes are watering.
But we did this because we thought it'd be fun.
Yeah.
Where are we?
We're at St. Mary's Glacier right now.
Yes. So we initially were going to be doing something else today.
Taco Festival.
But unfortunately that's been postponed until next year. We found out 2 days ago.
So we decided to do a hike before we go to DC next week.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's go and jump on the hike with you.
Yep, so let's give you a quick tour around of the parking lot. Because a couple things that you need to know before you get here. So there's porta potties here. And this parking lot is huge, and I think it's like one of two. There's no, there he is. There's no camping here, but there is plenty of camping further down that road. It's a $5 fee to park here. And here's your little station, so you put it on your dashboard, read the instructions, and very important, the trailhead is 900 feet up the road, so just make sure you're not breaking into anybody's land.
We're just leaving the parking lot now.
Yep.
We're starting our descent. It's about 900 feet from the parking lot to the start of the trailhead.
Is this the trailhead? This is the trailhead. I'm already out of breath. We haven't even started. Oh, hello, rocks. Make good choices. I agree.
Like hiking.
I don't know if that's a good choice, though. We have come to another split in the road. Let's figure this out. There's a sign down there. We have determined that we go up this way. You ready?
Yeah, we just saw someone else go that way, so.
It's a little warmer than we thought. But you always pack layers because you never know. You guess, bird or squirrel? Squirrel. Who needs to go to the Stairmaster when you got all of this?
He's got to the top of that little bit of area and it gets to a clearing.
Yay!
Oh, I already can see a little bit of the snow. Yeah, from here. You can see you probably can't see on the GoPro, but right there, you can just see a little bit of the snow, which is why they call it St. Mary's Glacier. Although, fun fact, it's actually not a glacier. It's just perennial snow that never melts. It's a snow shelf.
Wow. Okay, this looks cool.
This is really cool.
All the trees. Wow. All right, will there be a lake on the other side? Let's see. You ready? Taking videos of this tree. Look how cool this tree is. Kind of obsessed with all the trees up here.
The tree is really cool.
All the trees are so slanted. Like, look at all those trees over there. You can tell it's really windy. And right there is the waterfall.
So we're going next.
Yay! Oh my god. Try to record video and not die, Anna. So at 7:30, there was already a lot of people here. I just learned something. Apparently you can ski on the glacier. And these guys have their skis. So that waterfall is powered by the snowmelt from the ice shelf. And then it feeds all the way down here into this beautiful lake. Alright, so here we're coming up on the glacier. It's pretty sketchy up here.
It is.
It's all rock and scramble.
Oh, it is so windy. Oh my gosh. Can't believe how windy it is up here. So we've decided we were gonna hike up a little further, but it's just getting a lot more steep.
And I chickened out.
Well, there's no fact chicken out, it's just,
No, I chickened out.
it's really challenging.
Plus my hip is starting to bother me a little bit anyways.
Oh no.
So I don't wanna force it.
Yeah, no, it sounds fine. So we're gonna head back down a little bit so we get a nice shot of the lake and maybe a
I'm gonna
little
sit up there somewhere.
shot of the glacier here, and we'll give you some facts about the hike.
Yep.
Cool.
Hopefully it won't be too windy.
No, hopefully not. Okay, ready?
Yep.
The camera's not gonna do this nearly as much as justice as it actually is, but this part's pretty steep. And I just finished having lunch.
It's delicious.
We're gonna head back down and we'll talk about some of the facts about it and our thoughts and opinions. It's just a little too windy right now.
Yep, we'll be in the car and we'll show you a montage of all the pretty things that we recorded.
Yeah.
Yay! There it goes. Bye, Intrepid. Adam's letting me throw the GoPro in the water. Next time you see me, you're gonna be getting dunked.
We are back in the car after getting back from the hike, and I really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, and it was super windy, so we're gonna do a little bit about the hike here in the car, but we're gonna overlay a bunch of pretty footage that we shot. So you're not bored looking at us. Okay.
I'm not bored looking at you though.
So sweet. Okay, so this hike is it's great because it's a choose your own adventure hike. To get to the glacier, it's 2.4 miles out and back. And when I mean the glacier, I mean like past the lake and up.
Yeah.
You can go all the way up to St. James.
James Peak.
So go up to James Peak if you want.
Yeah, if you want to stand a little bit further.
Mm-hmm. The hike has a lake. The lake is about a half mile.
Yeah, it's not very far.
Three-quarter mile from the parking lot.
Yeah, so if you're just like, I want to get to some nature really fast, 3/4 of a mile, although that 3/4 of a mile is pretty intense, it's really rocky.
Yeah, hiking poles are recommended. It's very rocky. Bring appropriate shoes. The hike is best from April to October.
And if you're thinking coming here, come earlier in the day, early as possible. Right now it's 11 o'clock and the parking lot,
packed.
They've been doing some serious Tetris work in this parking lot.
Yeah, we got here at 6 and we were the second car at 11. It's triple parked.
Yeah.
It's crazy. I'm kind of nervous to get out of here. Dogs are allowed, but on a leash. Make sure you take your Yeah, their poop with you. We found entirely too many poops stashed, hidden.
And that, like a bunch of trash.
Yeah, so I picked up as much trash as I safely could. There's some stuff that was questionable and also didn't have a trash bag. Shame on me. But please pack it in, pack it out.
When you're hiking this thing, it's not really well marked.
No.
And so you kind of like, you see, as long as you're heading up, and if you see water, just keep following the water.
Yep. So basically, rule of thumb that we read is go up.
Yeah.
And then when you come back, go down.
Basically, yeah. Like, I know we kind of say like a little bit like a quip, but that's the truth. Is it's just not well marked.
And let's tell you a little bit about how to get here. So it's exit 238 on I-70. Follow Falls River Road, and they do a really good job at posting signs of where St. Mary's Glacier is. So that helps. Bring $5 cash because there is a $5 parking fee, as I talked about earlier. Bring your own pen, although there's some nice people who have left pens in the box, but it's always good to be better safe than sorry. And they do patrol because the guys were out here this morning.
And if the parking lot is full, don't park on the side of the street here. They will give you a ticket.
They will, and they do patrol it. So
what did you think about it?
I thought it was okay. I personally don't like overcrowded hikes, and I know we don't help the situation by telling you about hikes, but our goal is to maybe tell you about different hikes so you spread out and not go to like the same hikes. But this is like a really great hike if you're visiting Colorado, you want a short hike, you want to see a glacier lake. It's perfect for that.
Absolutely.
Now, will I come back? If I do, it'll be before sunrise or maybe at night so I can get some star trails.
Ooh, yeah.
But not on a weekend again, and not in the middle of the day.
Yeah, and this was a little unexpected. As we said earlier, we had something else planned, which is why we came. Yeah. But anyway, I think that's good.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed it. And if you like us and you like this video, please hit that subscribe button below so we can keep bringing you adventures. Don't forget, I have a print shop and I sell Colorado photographs and photographs of different adventures that we've taken, as well as artwork. So your purchases help to support us to bring you these vlogs. So like they pay like parking fees, for example.
Yeah, exactly.
And follow us on Instagram.
Absolutely. And I know we've kind of gone to an every other schedule right now.
Yeah.
If you follow us on Instagram on Thursdays or Fridays,
depending on Anna's brain,
we'll be posting a video to let you know that we are publishing a new vlog.
Yay. So
thank you so much.
Thanks for tagging along. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.